Hey, Steph here again with PT to Go. Today I'm going to talk about part 2 of my series of 3 videos on healthy shoulders. Today is all about my favorite strengthening exercises for the shoulders and upper arms. In the first video, I showed you how to stretch out the front of your shoulders, which tend to get really tight and strong with our daily activities. Today we're going to focus on the back of the shoulders, which again, as I said in the first video, gets stretched out and weak because we're stuck forward. So we've already stretched those out. Now we want to strengthen those muscles in the back of the shoulders. These exercises use a resistance bands. If you've ever been to physical therapy or you know somebody who has, you've seen these before. We use them a lot. They're one of our favorite tools. They're so easy to take wherever you go. Now, I'm going to start by showing you what's called open chain. So your arms are going to be open. For all of these, I want you to start with just 10 reps, work your way up to 15 reps, 2 to 3 sets, depending if you're wanting to do more kind of toning work. I would do 3 sets. If you're kind of just starting, you have pretty weak arms, I would just start with 2 sets of 10 and then work your way up to 15 reps of 3 sets. And remember, it takes 6 to 8 weeks to physically build up muscle. So if you're expecting to see more tone and strength improvements, give yourself some time, give yourself some leeway. 6 to 8 weeks it takes. Okay, so we're starting our TheraBand exercises. You want shoulders down, sitting up nice and tall in that good posture. Elbows at your side, you're just going to bring your hands out to the sides. 10 to 15 reps, and then straighten those elbows out in front of you. Again, keep your shoulders down away from your ears. Horizontal abduction, so going straight out to the sides. And then we're going to switch to kind of a rowing, throwing motion. One arm stays straight, the other one arm pulls back. Shoulders stay down and back. Open that good posture. 10 to 15 reps. I'm going to show you the side view. So I'm keeping my shoulders down and back, shoulder blades tucked, just going straight out for that external rotation on this one. Keeping the shoulders down, good posture, straight out to the side in the horizontal abduction. And then we'll switch to that rowing, throwing motion, kind of pulling down and back. Working all the muscles in the back of the shoulders there. 10 to 15 reps of each, and I would go through and do 2 sets at least. Okay, so next I want to show you a little more functional shoulder strengthening exercises, because how often are we on our hands and knees scrubbing the floor, pushing ourselves up off the couch, that kind of things. We need strength and stability in our shoulders to be able to do that, and in the proper alignment in order to do it without injury. These can start in a modified version, so you can start with just your hands up against the wall, on a countertop, something raised, and then it goes into more advanced, so on your hands and knees, into a modified push-up position, or into a plank position, where we're incorporating more of our abdominal and core stability in there, so it's quite a bit harder, but a great challenge for anyone out there. There's a range you can do. So here they are. All right, so now for those more functional shoulder exercises in the closed chain position, your hands are down on the ground. I'm in hands and knees position. I want to make sure my back is straight and tummy is tight, so I'm not arching. Shoulders are down away from my ears. I've got a little push out of my upper back. I'm going to go straight out to the side first and then switch to a diagonal reach after that. And then the third exercise is a row in this position. So again, 10 to 15 reps of each. You're making sure the whole time your tummy's tight, your shoulders away from your ears, and you're not sinking into those shoulder blades. Then I'm going to switch and show you the modified push-up or modified plank position. And here again, we're just going to stay tummy tight, don't arch your back. Shoulders down away from my ears, slight push out
or push up towards the sky or ceiling of that upper back so you're not sinking into your shoulder blades. I'm going to do a side reach, a diagonal reach, and then a row. And then the last position, the hardest, would be the plank position. And I'm not going to go through the exercises because I'm getting tired.
I want to know what your favorite shoulder strengthening exercises are that you do when you're on the go. If this video is helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your family and friends, hit the like button. Hope this helps. Have a great day, everyone.